The Forex hedging strategy we published previously on this channel is the most popular video on our channel in terms of views. Seems like many Forex traders these days are looking for an always-win trading strategy, and that's fair enough. But I recently received a message on Telegram from one of our group members. He shared with me a screenshot of a scammer who is privately texting the members of our group on Telegram. I was furious as this scammer is impersonating us. He's using a Telegram ID that's similar to ours and our logo as his profile picture. Please notice that we have only one official Telegram group. The link is in the video description. Plus, we don't sell anything on Telegram. Our content is 100% free. The only thing you can do to support our channel is to hit that thumbs up button or become one of our paid members. That's all. Let's return to our story. So basically, the scammer, was trying to sell a no-loss Forex hedging strategy to our group members. He just approached them directly on Telegram, claiming that he's the one running our YouTube channel. Well, I created another Telegram account and texted this scammer. He offered to sell me this so-called always-win trading strategy. I didn't buy it, but after some back and forth, I managed to get a demo version of this robot. So I'll try to understand how this robot works, and will reveal later where the scammer stole the robot from. Of course, he didn't create it, but if it's profitable, I'll buy it and share it with you for absolutely free. This might be a long video, but I'll try to highlight the most important stuff. We'll test it in real market conditions and share with you the results of the first 10 days of trading Forex using this robot, which is designed according to an always-win Forex hedging strategy. So, have we made any profit? And is this a no-loss trading strategy? Well, let's find out right after the intro. Hedging strategy means using financial instruments or market strategies to offset the risk of any adverse price movements. In simple English, that means entering the market with buy and sell orders, then keeping on adding positions and adjusting the volume sizes until we become profitable. In theory, it's possible. Yep, and it is a no-loss trading strategy, especially if we analyze it using a pencil and a piece of paper. But the reality could be different, right? Let's first reveal the Forex hedging strategy that the scammer is selling. It's not very different from the one we previously shared on this channel. To begin using this strategy, we just need to have two pending orders, a buy and sell stop with 1 microlot volume size each. The distance between the orders is 5 pips, and each one of the orders has a take profit level positioned 15 pips away from the entry. This has to be done quickly, so we can use this Forex calculator to calculate the entry and take profit levels for both orders. We should be quick if we want to manually trade this strategy. Once the price triggers one of the pending orders, we'll remain in the market until the price hits its take profit level. This will be the ideal scenario, and we're going to exit the market with 15 pips. But what happens if the price reverses and triggers the other pending order? In this scenario, we'll have two opposite orders, a buy and a sell position with the same volume size. No need to panic. We'll just wait for the price to hit one of the take profit levels. Let's say if the buy takes profit is hit. Well, at this exact moment, we'll go short with double volume size, which is 2 microlots in this example, and we open new pending buy orders 5 pips away from our take profit A. The new take profit C for the buy order is positioned 15 pips away from the entry. If the price continues its uptrend and hits take profit C, we open a new sell position with 3 times the initial balance, which means 3 microlots, and another buy pending order 5 pips away from the take profit C, along with its take profit level. We continue doing the same thing until the price reverses and hit the take profit of the most recent short order. At this exact moment, all the trades will be closed with profit. You can pause the video to review this method. Well, to sum up, it's mathematically speaking an always-win trading strategy. Yes, it is. You might wonder how I revealed this strategy. Well, it's easy. I just run the robot with the visual mode on. We don't have to dig any deeper at this stage. Why bother? We still don't know if this trading strategy is profitable or not, but that's what we're about to know in a moment. So, To test this trading strategy, I went ahead and opened a demo trading account with my favorite Forex broker. When it comes to hedging trading strategies, it's better to have your account opened with a low-spread broker. I'll leave a link in the video description if you want to open yours, but bear in mind that I don't recommend this broker if you're trading gold. Their spread is just off the charts. I used a demo account with a $1,000 balance. I can't wait to see what happens next. Are we going to make any profit? Well, let's see. By the way, don't forget the thumbs up if you enjoy this content. It encourages us to make more videos and helps us with the YouTube algorithm. So after creating the demo account, I straight away set the trading robot and forget it. Let's come back after 10 days. Before we go through the results, I want to ask you, do you like videos where scammers are exposed? We receive many messages from scammers, and I enjoy messing with them. We'll share with you soon a story that I recently had with a crypto scammer who wanted me to deposit money into their shady platform. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we release the video. Alright, these are the results after 10 days of trading the Forex market using the hedging strategy. We started with $1,000, and today, after 10 days of robot trading, we've made a profit of $116. That's 11% growth. At the moment, we have 2 open trades in opposite directions, but with the same volume size. That means that the balance will remain stable, and the robot is supposed to continue adding additional positions with the right volume size to sustain his profitability. 10 days is a very short time to say whether this Forex hedging strategy is profitable or not. I'll keep on testing this strategy for another week. I don't want to make this video super long, so in the next video, we'll see whether this strategy is still profitable or not, and how these scammers work and get their robots and trading strategies. In the meantime, you can monitor the progress of the robot on the My FX book page that I set up specifically for this strategy. Let us know in the comments section what you think about Forex hedging trading strategies and the so-called no-loss trading methods. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get new video updates. And finally, don't forget to check out the other videos on this channel. Happy trading!